Hi, my name's Manni. I'm one of the trainers from TTC. I'm going to explain to you how to pass your private side driving test with TTC. Requirements of the test. Demonstrate to Birmingham City Council you know all the rules and regulations applying to private side driving in Birmingham. Things you need to know. Conditions of your licence. Legal information. Applying for hire. To pass each test, you need to achieve the following marks. Conditions test paper, you need to achieve 4 out of 6 marks. Legal paper, you need to obtain 4 out of 6. And applying for hire, you need to obtain 6 out of 6. On the day you test, you must drive on time, otherwise you may not be permitted to enter. You must bring your identification documents, which is normally your photo ID card from your driving licence or your passport. You cannot access your mobile phone during the test. We will read the test questions to you and you mark your chosen answer. The complete test process will take 25 minutes to complete. Your test result will be emailed to you within 4 days. To improve your chances of passing your test first time, please download all the information from Birmingham City Council website. Read all the documents carefully to gain a head start. Book a private side driver workshop with one of our trainers and go through the content and prepare for the test by doing the following. Have a trainer explain all the knowledge you need. Asking questions to clarify your understanding with the trainer and other participating drivers. Making notes to help remembering the facts. Approach a test with confidence to pass first time. Additional information can be obtained from Birmingham City Council website from the address below. You can also scan the QR code with your mobile phone, which will take you directly to that link there. Thank you, and I wish you all the best on passing your test with us.